Hey you guys, you are kindly welcome to our channel, Protastructure. We are here to guide those who are in need to learn engineering structural analysis by the use of Protastructure from the scratch level to the apex knowledge. And I will advise every civil engineer, both young and old, to watch this video. Please kindly subscribe and like and share this video on our channel to see our latest updates. We are earnestly promising to be updating you with latest video you ever need to undergo your practice, and then all the things knowledge. We are about to unveil the truth more and more about structure. Then I want to use Protastructure 2018. Then I will welcome your comments in our comment section. Suggestion, they are highly welcome. And then in our next video, we'll show you more and more how to design from scratch to finish. Okay, all right, thank you. And then I have here Protastructure 2018. You just allow it to load. Then what you need to come to your new, you can type any name. Say new project. You can say new project. Good. No, in Protastructure there is nothing like there is no space, so you click on shift and control, shift and minus key, it will just give you that position. Then on our templates here, you have to choose a code of practice, any one that is favorable to you. So I'll use BS code. Then I go to import. From import we have this, so quickly it just allow it to load. Loading. I just want to do a virtual view to show you all how these icons are working. So that's the scope of our practice today. Then this one I'll show you later. In my next video I'll show you everything that you need to know in my next video. So kindly subscribe, and then I promise to bring out the best in us. And then this is column, come to column. Then here I just want to show you how the icons are working, each one of them. Then this is the beam. Then remember, in this let me come from this one now. It's called file. From here to here you see a perforated vertical bar by the left side. So there is a perforated vertical bar here. This one is indicating the file. All the file icons are shown here. The file tools are, so they are obtained from here. So they are from here to here. The similar things are happening here. From here to here, they are called the edit tools. So they are coming out from here. Can you see all the icons that are here? They are coming up. So similar things happening here. After this perforated bar, you see from here to here, they are coming out from concrete members, so you can still come here. So that's one good thing I love about Protastructure. It has simplified a lot of things. I made it very easier for us to use. Similar thing is happening here, and this is for steel. You have steel column, so you can come to steel. Both things you can ever find here are brought forward here. So similar things happening here is decomposition, so on. This model and analysis. This one's column section design. This one's beam reinforcement, and so on. So these ones are coming out from analysis. You can get them from analysis. Then all the columns, in which I'm going to show you in the next video, columns, beams, this one. You want to see the analysis and so on, you can see them in the analysis. You can come to analysis, and on that building analysis you can see them. Okay, so similar things happening here, parameters and so on. If you click on the parameters, example, click on the parameters, this one is still updated from the from. You can change your work title if you are doing a real life project, in which I'm going to shoot. I'm going to show you a real life project in my next video, how you can tackle a real life project from scratch to finish. Then you can type the name of the designer, somebody that checks your work, then how many, the name, the number of the projects. Is it the first project? You can type 001. You can see you're checked by engineer. This engineer Daniel. You can see, yeah, engineer James. You can see tutorial. You can see it's a tutorial. So when it's a real life project, you can just the date. You can type the date here, 2023. Okay. So and so on. So this one is just there for story menu, for reload your story. I use story. You can generate your story. All these ones are coming up from here. This building setup. This is called building setup. You can come here and do the shortcut afterwards. So that is all about that one. Now this one we have the edit. This one is the view bar. You can maximize. Let's see. You can zoom it. You can minimize and zoom. You want to make it faster. So this one is called the layer bar. This one's the layers. You can off your layers. For assuming, let me add. Let me add my. This one. Let me add beams. So see how layers work. See how layers. You can off layers. You can off your layers. See, in this one, this place is called status bar. You see, this place is called status bar. So you see what's happening. It's going to write something. You can see, it's telling pick 2-axis insertion for members insertion. So it's called status bar. It's going to tell you the direction on what to do, what their particular tool you pick, what you need to use it for. So now similar things happening here. So I lock it here. So now quickly, this one is telling us the number of the story, the height of the story, existing story. So I'm in story 1 now, and the height is 3,000 millimeters, and this one is the unit of measurement for the what we are using, the unit of measurement. So millimeter, we have millimeters here, kilometer, meter, per meter, and then similar things here happen. This is cursor. If I click my line here, see it changes. It changes. The cursor keep changing. So where you take your cursor to, it will keep changing. So this one is called. This section is called tree. You can call structural tree. This where you can find your columns. Your column can come here. If you want to edit column or beams, see now I can come to beam. Click them now. If I click on this one and shift key, this one I click shift, it will highlight everything here. I come to here. If it is slab, under slab, and if I click shift key, it will highlight everything concerning slab. So anything you want to do, you can come here. This one is called structural tree. And then let me show you how to hide layers. On layer, how layer work. On layer file, you can off layer. So now I off the axis. All my axes, I off them here. Axes are off here. I can off and on. The similar things happening. Column, I can off column and on column. Can you see that? Then I can. Similar things happening in both, even to slab. I can off and on. There's another way, palatable way of doing this. You can come to Windows, come to this, then I can duplicate the screen, and then come here. Let me make it a bit do here. So from here I duplicate the screen, and this one is now saving as my plan view. This is my plan view. I can come here and increase it, you know. Okay, so all right. So with that one is done here. So with that now, it's now certain that this is what I want to do. So I want to show you more. This one, I go to that column on the layer. If I off it now, can you see the column is disappearing? The one that were here, they have disappeared. But I want it back again. I come to wall. I want to hide the shear wall. I come to shear wall is hidden. See, this wall is hidden. I can come back to the shear wall. I on back. It shows back. I can see how wonderful it looks like. So you can off anything here. Is it reinforcement? If I did reinforcement, okay, let me say I draw something like strip here. No, I've never yet designed, so it's just it's not satisfactory. I'm going to show you in my next video how to do your design comfortably. Okay, now sorry, okay, let's see. Yeah, I got the undo. Okay, now so let's see on this. Okay, see, I don't think then on this there's a way under this filter selection key. If I want to delete anything now, I can come to deselect all. I assume I want to delete my this one. I want to delete this. I want to delete my strip. I come to here. I come to strip. I select it. Then select everything. I don't care whether I'm selecting everything. See, it's not selecting a particular thing that I delete it. Alright, I click on delete. I delete it. If I want to delete slab, I don't need to worry. I can come to instead of, for example, now if I highlight everything here, it's highlighting everything. That means if I want to click on anything delete, it's going to delete everything. So to avoid that, I come to this filter selection list. I deselect everything. I come to slab. Then I highlight everything. So as I highlight everything, it selects only the slab and click on delete. So as you may want to delete beams, I come to select all. Under selecting all, I come to beams. Yeah, beams. Then I click on just right. I click on right click, delete. So I want to delete. So as you may want to delete my columns, I come to and so on. So I deselect all, come to column. Just no matter what is selected here, just so that's how it works. And so if I want to go back, I can click here, click here, click here, click here. Can you see that? So that is how it works. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Then in my next video, I'm going to show you how to design proper. So remember, this is the plan view, this is the 3D view, this is of this one, this is the structure tree, all of them structure tree. This is my layer, this is my layer, and this is my view, shortcut is view. This is my status bar, this is my status. Then this the height of the building, the unit of measurement, the cursor coordinates, which I've shown you before. This is the file, this is a file, edit, this is edit tools. All these ones are the concrete, reinforced concrete members tools. These are the steel, this one are the steel members. This one are for the analysis and design. This is for building setup. This one is building setup. Then this is for parameters. These parameters. If you want to change your building parameters, so kindly subscribe to this channel, and I promise you for best video we are going to bring out. Thank you very much. Thank you. Remember, this is Dexterous Attitude.